So if you're finding the inverse, right, of this, and it starts off as being exponential, right, it's going to end up being logarithmic, right? Okay, everybody understands that. That's what the final answer should look like. If it starts off as being logarithmic, it will end up as being, all right, so everybody has that in their head, everybody understands, okay? All right, so, okay, now watch what's going to happen here. Step number one, you learned this back in the first semester. What's always the first thing you do when you have an inverse? Switch the x and the y. See, that's great, you guys remember that. You switch the x and the y. X equals 6y, right? Okay, now listen to me. Here's the thing, okay? I want you to find the inverse, right? I want you to find the inverse. You did that yesterday, right? Remember what you had to do? Drop the log, make the switch, right? Everybody remember? Drop the log, make the switch. Oh, but wait, it doesn't look like that. A doesn't look like that. So now what you got to do is this. Now look, remember? Drop the log, make the switch, right? So now instead of going forwards, right, I'm going backwards. So now it's make the switch, add the log. Make sense? Make the switch, add the log. Okay, here we go. Make the switch. I know, just don't say. Okay, I know what you want to say. Add the log. Log base 6 x. There's the answer right there. There's the answer right there. Okay. Okay, all right, so on B, right, on B, it has a logarithm, right? Okay, so let's start off. What's the first step? What's the first step? Switch the x and the y. Right, okay, so switch the x and the y. Okay, so there's step one, right? Okay, now, what's the next step? Drop the log and make the switch. Okay, now let me change my color so you can see this on the film. Okay, so now drop the log and make the switch, right? Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, wait. Sweeney, I'm confused by this. I'm so confused. You're making the switch, but there's no base on this log. Got it. You remember. Good, is right. But the base of natural log is E. There you go. It's an E. Okay, so drop the log, make the switch. So now tell me what I'm going to write down.
X.
E.
X equals. 3 equals.
Y
equals. E equals.
X.
Y plus 3 equals E to the X. Right, got it. Okay, because it's this whole thing. This whole thing is being moved over, right? Okay, not just the Y, but the Y plus 3. That's what the logarithm is being applied to. The natural log is being applied to. See, yesterday you didn't have it. Two things. You only have one thing here. Now you got two.
But why don't we even look at this?
Because the E is the base, remember? That's what you did. Drop the log, make the switch, right? Okay. All right, well, hang on. Let's finish this and I'll explain it again. Right. Okay. All right. Now, what's the next thing you got to do? Subtract the 3 over, right? Okay, so subtract 3 and subtract 3, like this. Okay, so then the answer is going to be what? Y equals E to the X power minus 3. Right, there's your final answer. That's it. Okay. Minus 3. Let's put a better minus. There you go, like that.